Hi, I'm Tori Wilt with the Oracle Technology Network. We're here on the floor of Mobile World Congress learning about Java, embedded devices, and the future of mobile. I'm here with Naveen Asrani. Hey, Naveen.
Hi.
Naveen is Director of Product Management in the Java Group, so he's got a cool demo that he's going to show to us. So what do you have here, Naveen?
Actually, Tori, it's a very interesting demo. You at home, right? And you have a grandmother at home.
Yes.
You're traveling all the way to Barcelona.
Right.
Aren't you worried about her?
Absolutely, I'm worried about her.
Absolutely. Likewise, I too have a granny at home and love her to death. And that's what happens. So what we do here is an interesting demo that actually showcases how Java, from the device to the data center, enables interesting ways in solving problems, real world problems that we have today.
Okay.
One area here is, this is a Sunspot device that runs Java in a very, very low footprint on bare metal. And what we have here is, this is actually attached to my granny at home. And the moment she falls down, she's fallen down, oops, sorry.
Wow, there's an alarm that goes off automatically.
Exactly. But what it does is it waits. It waits for it to actually turn up and sees whether she can pick herself up. You give her a minute because she might just accidentally fall. It could be just a false alarm, right? But here actually you notice, no, she's fallen down and it looks serious. An alert goes off.
Okay, an alarm goes off because Granny fell down.
Exactly. And what it does is it sends a message to the data center through the gateway here, which has Java Embedded Suite here, which is essentially a middleware, a lightweight middleware for embedded devices, a gateway like this.
So it automatically goes from the sensor to the gateway.
And sends the message out to the data center, through the gateway to the data center, where an alert goes out to the local hospital there, saying, hey, an aged person needs attention, and an ambulance is sent.
Okay.
Parallelly, it also sends the credentials of the ambulance so that the ambulance gets temporary access to the door. Otherwise, the person can't open the door, right?
Oh, interesting. Okay.
And here you have an NFC reader at the door. And the moment the ambulance turns up and the person comes in here, voila. The door is open and the person comes in, walks in, takes care of Granny, picks her up, takes her to the hospital, and all's well.
Okay, so this is a whole thing from the sensor to the gateway.
To the data center.
To the data center, to the ambulance, so the ambulance has access to get inside the home.
Exactly.
Wow. And it's all done through Java's on the base, right?
Yes. And what it also does is shows you interesting statistics on when the door was last open on any device and any tablet of your choice. And what shows you statistics on how you've seen when the door has been last open, how many successful attempts has it made, how many unsuccessful attempts have been made, what is the time between last response and current response. And while that's happening, it also helps you actually add control and access control to other people there by using Java Card as a dual authentication layer.
Ah, okay, so this is Java Card.
Yeah, so what happens if you meet someone new here and you invite them home, saying, go take care of my grandmother while I'm there.
Right.
The person doesn't have to be with you. The person can go in from other part of the city where you grant them access to that, and that person get access.
Oh, okay, so they have the card, you give them authorization, they can get into the house.
Exactly.
Cool.
So this way Java makes a difference across lives.
So Java saves lives.
Yes.
Excellent. So thank you, Naveen. This is very interesting. So we're here on the floor of Mobile World Congress. You can get more information about Java and devices at the Oracle Technology Network. Thank you.
Thank you.